In this episode, I will be demonstrating how to install the Panini scanner drivers for use with WebScan. To begin, we're going to open our internet browser and navigate to the CCX website. You can have your customer log in here with their credentials. And once successfully logged in, we're going to select the documentation link on the left-hand side. For the Panini scanner drivers, we're going to select the Panini link underneath the scanner drivers and documentation. And then to use the scanner with WebScan, we're going to select the first installation package, which is labeled as Panini Universal Driver Package for Windows, all supported browsers. So we're going to select the driver installation package, and then we're going to select Save File. You'll notice that once the download has completed, the icon will change and we will see a blue arrow. This indicates that the download has completed. So once the download is done, we'll just select the download, and that will begin the installation. So we're going to select Next, and then the licensing agreement will display. On here you have the option to go back, agree, or you can cancel the installation. So we're going to agree, and then leave the destination folder as default. So we're just going to select Install. With the scanner driver installation, there are two portions. There will be the FIS portion as well as the manufacturer portion. So we can see that there are two windows now. There is the Panini Universal Installer as well as the FIS window behind that. So when the Panini Universal Installer begins, we will select Next. Again, another licensing agreement will come up, and we will go ahead and select the I accept the terms, and then select Next. We will leave the destination location as default again and select Next. And the installation should continue for us. On this screen, this is to select the features that you would like to include. We just leave everything defaulted and select Next. And then you'll see the progress bar displayed for the software installation. During this portion, notice that the Panini portion of the drivers does appear to have minimized. This is by design. There is nothing delayed with the installation. It's just waiting for that portion to finish up. Sometimes this portion can take longer depending on the customer's computer. It can last anywhere from a few seconds to a few minutes, again depending on the customer's computer. As you can see, once the installer has finished, we will just select the Finish option. And then the FIS portion will finish up next. So we'll select Next and then finish there as well. So once that is finished, we can verify that the scanner drivers have been installed successfully by navigating to the control panel and then Programs and Features. So in Windows 10, you can just right-click on the Start icon and select Control Panel, or you can also just navigate directly to Programs and Features. As you see, we can filter out the items in here. And since we are working with the Panini, we can see that there is both the Panini portion and the FIS portion. And that's it. You've installed the Panini Universal Drivers for use with WebScan. Thank you for viewing this training video. To learn more, please check out our other training modules. If you have questions, navigate to our frequently asked question page for answers to commonly asked questions. If you do not see an answer to your question, or if you need additional assistance, feel free to create a ticket on Client Portal.